Hey guys, RealMcCoy411 and welcome back to my channel. It is the next day and I did the greenhouse method effect that I just put a video out. I'll link that right here in the cards above, and you'll get to see how I got to this point right here where my hair is still moisturized, my hair is still damp, and it feels so good, guys. Greenhouse method effect, greenhouse method. I cannot say it enough. You gotta check it out. But now it's time to put our hair up in protective twist. So we want to keep going with the moisture. I'm torn in between two moisturizing products that I love oh so dearly. It's two of them. It's the As I Am Double Buttercream, which is very moisturizing, and then there's the Marula Moisture Guru by Soul Botanicals. That is very moisturizing. So I figure I'm just gonna take a little of this and a little of that and mix it together and put up the twist. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Drink a little more of this here. These things are the bomb. Y'all need to check them out. So the only thing you're gonna need is a comb and a brush and some clips. When I put up these protective twists now, there is no parting, sectioning, blah, 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 blah. We are in the house. We're not going nowhere. We just want to make sure our hair is up in a protective style, right? So what I'm going to do is in each section, because I sectioned off my hair, in each section, I'm going to mix these two together in my hand, and that's what we're going to put our twist up with. So, and we're not going to use that much. So the white is going to be the Soul Botanicals, and the cream is going to be the Double Buttercream. And I'm just going to mix them together in my hand, rake them throughout my hair, because hey, it's moisture, and I want to seal in my moisture. So with that being said, I'm going to be using the Blue Magic hair grease, okay, and I'm going to take about that much of it, and I'm going to seal in the Soul Botanicals and the As I Am. All right, and when I tell you these twists are just going to be just random, grab a piece of hair, twist, grab a piece of hair, twist. That's what we're going to do, and we are going to have a wonderful, wonderful protective style. And this is not for a twist out. As you can see, I'm just going down and just regular smegular twisting. That's all I'm doing. And I'm not using the comb to find parts. I'm just using my finger. And I'll grab a piece of hair, comb through it, make sure it's detangled. Which it is very detangled, and it is very moisturized, guys. You just do it for a week. Try the greenhouse method for 1 week, and you will be able to tell the difference in your hair. And you're gonna keep doing it. I promise you. And tonight, before I go to bed, I will be spraying my rice water on it, and from there, I will. Try not to make these too small. From adding the rice water, I put the plastic cap back on my head and do the greenhouse method again. I do not want these small, and every section I'm grabbing is like it's small, and that's not what I want. So the sections, these little pieces are going to get bigger. They're going to get bigger. So I'm going to speed up the video and just put these twists in. And actually I found that putting the twist in like this without worrying about the parts and all that kind of stuff is actually kind of beneficial. I mean, it really is. I can't explain it. You don't see all those parts and everything in your head, so well, let's speed it up. double buttercream, and I combined the Soul Botanicals, Moisture Guru. I combined both of them. I sealed it all in with my Blue Magic hair food, and I sprayed me some rice water on it. And since I'm not going to be doing anything today but just lounging around the house, I put me a plastic bag on so that y'all just wait and see. I'm telling you, just wait and see. We're going to see some great results from this. We're going to see where we are now compared to the end of the year, which I'm telling you, I have goals. I have goals to be at least past my shoulders, and I'm almost there. I mean, really and truly, I'm almost there, but I want it all over. I want it all over, and it's gonna take me taking care of my scalp and my hair strands, and that's what I'm going to do. So if you're new, go ahead and subscribe. And remember, it is free to subscribe. It does not cost anything to subscribe, okay? Also, you want to make sure you're following me on Instagram so that you can follow my hair growth journey on there as well, where I put a lot of pictures and stuff outside of the YouTube world, okay? All of my subscribers, thank you so much. We're going to continue to grow. We're growing. We're going to continue to grow. You all are going to witness me on a natural hair journey from beginning to end. A lot of people can't say that from beginning to end. Go back and look at some of my old videos from a year ago and you'll see the difference on where I am now compared to then. And then we're going to go back from these videos in the future and see the difference in those videos. So I will see you guys in the next video. Remember to keep God first in everything you do, and I do mean everything. And while we're having this lockdown and this coronavirus, make sure you're making time to spend with God and pray to God that He heals our land, because we need that right now. We need God to heal our land. Okay? I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.